Hi all, welcome to another video. So today we'll be helping you all to know how to prepare kadha at home. A kadha is a healthy drink that can enable you to get rid of mild cough, fever, and also boost your immunity. So try this out. It's healthy drink to have, made at home, all organic. So as soon as the water is boiling, add some cinnamon and some cloves and let it boil for some time. Now we break open some large cardamoms and we'll add it to the boiling water. This gives a strong flavor to the water and also it is very good for your health and immunity. We'll be adding some ashwagandha leaves onto it. These are also called Withania somnifera and it can be easily grown at home. So ashwagandha helps in taking care of low blood sugar levels, also getting rid of some stress and helping your brain function much more effectively. Now finally, now we'll add gilai to it. It's also called gurju. Since we have a plant at home, it's much more easier for us, but you can always procure a powder or you can grow a plant in your home itself. Gilai is also called Trinospora cordifila. And finally, 2 tablespoons of natural homegrown turmeric or good organic turmeric. You can add this because turmeric, as we all know, helps us to get relieved from body pain, mild fever, and a lot of other cold and cough related things. So very healthy drink. Let it boil for some time, and then finally serve hot and have it hot. And once you build this habit of having this every day, it doesn't taste differently, and you can always enjoy it at any time of your day. It's good to have it after your meal and once in the daytime and once in the night, once late in the evening. So we normally have it mostly after our dinner. So it's a very good thing to have and to help you boost your immunity. So finally it's ready and we're serving it hot. Hope you like this video. Enjoy it. Cheers.